Hello guys, this chiller is not cooling well, so we will try to fix this one. Yeah, I opened the front cover. I will check the compressor and the condenser. We will see if it will cool again. We will clean the condenser. As you can see, the condenser is super dirty, so we're gonna clean this. As you can see, it looks clean from the outside. It looks clean. If you go inside, super dirty inside. The air doesn't go through. There from the fan. We need to clean it. Deep cleaning. After I clean the condenser, I can feel the air is coming through to the other side because the fan over there is sucking the air from here. So the air goes there inside. The compressor is outside. Not outside, it's at the back of this, the compressor. Oh, there's an error code because the door is open. So we will check this after 30 minutes or 1 hour if it is good now. I can see that the air is going through from the other side. That's the fan. The air is blown here, the compressor. So the compressor will get cool. That's the fan. Cleaner than before. So we'll see. Hello. I found the real reason why this chiller doesn't cool. Look at the evaporator. It's frozen. The evaporator is frozen. Yeah. So that's the real reason. So we just need to defrost this and clean. Yeah, thank you. Hello guys, this is an update of my repair in this chiller. Yeah, it's cooling very good now. After overnight of defrosting the ice in here. Yeah, you can see the evaporator now. Yeah, it's the evaporator. There's no ice. After overnight of defrosting, we don't need to use the hair dryer. But if you have a hair dryer, you can do it for, I think, around 30 minutes. It's very good now. See the temperature. Let's see focus. I think it's 5 or 4 to 5 degrees. Okay, so this is fixed. I cleaned the condenser in here, the condenser and the evaporator. So it's fixed. The temperature is 34 Fahrenheit. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. The final temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. inside the compartment. So it's good now. Very good.